This is the audio accessory or AA extra long, extra reach boom arm. It is specifically designed for heavy mics up to 6.6 pounds. Its extra long reach of 940 millimeters or 37.4 inches makes it the longest boom arm I've ever owned. It will easily reach over my setup, over my iMac monitor, which makes it great to keep it out of the way. It's perfect for SM7Bs, Blue Yeti, Rode NT1 microphone. Any heavy podcast mics or mics are gonna work well with this boom arm. It has a pretty sleek all aluminum design. It comes with this channel to hide your cables that has clips that come in and out to make sure the cable stays in place. It comes with all the standard size mic adapters, so no matter what mic you have, it's gonna fit. You're gonna be able to mount it. One of my favorite features is it has this little extension that's great, especially for SM7s that don't have a lot of reach, a lot of space here. You can put it a little bit further, which makes it extra useful. All the joints are locked in, so if you're looking for something to stick in place and not have to move too much, this is perfect. If you compare it to something like a Fine BM88, it's a totally different use. This one is more lock in place, long reach, put it above your setup or from behind. Compared to a BM88 or any low profile boom arm, a low profile boom arm is good if your setup is a bit smaller and your desk not quite as deep, but something like that will work with any size desk or setup. To do a quick side by side against a BM88, you can see fully extended what they look like. This AA long reach boom arc is so much longer and has so much more potential if that's what you need.